Welcome to Get-sudo. In today's video, we're going to talk about Microsoft Edge browser. So the preview of Microsoft Edge browser is now available for open source distros like Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian and OpenSUSE. So we're going to install Microsoft Edge browser dev channel to our Linux system. Let's get started. To install Microsoft Edge browser dev and overview all the feature of it, we need to shoot some commands in our terminal. So let's get started now. So the first command is divided into two. Through curl command we are installing Microsoft.asc file in our system, and after that we're using gpg-drmore command to convert Microsoft.asc file format to Microsoft.gpg. After firing this command, Microsoft.asc file will be in our Linux system. Now moving on to the next command. In this command, we are installing Microsoft.gpg as root and giving it specific permissions, and then we are sending it to a particular path file. After firing this command, Microsoft.gpg file will be in our Linux system at the same path where we specified it to be. Now let's move on to the next command and see what it does. sh-c uses dash shell instead of bash shell. Actually, dash shell is more faster when executing scripts. Through echo command, we are writing a repository to the given path to the source list. After updating repo, next command is to remove the Microsoft.gpg file. rm command will remove that. After updating the repository, it's time to update the system and install Microsoft Edge dev version. Just be sure to update before installing Microsoft Edge, otherwise it will give you error saying unable to locate package. Now all you have to do is install Microsoft Edge dev. After installing, now we have Microsoft Edge in our system. Let's launch it. Let's set up our new tab page. I'm just going to click on focused here and continue. Let's open up a new tab and search something. As you can see here, the look and UI of this browser is very minimal and clean. Let's check out all the options we have got in this browser. Let's go into extension section here. This is from where you can install, remove and manage your extensions. Let's try to install one of the add-ons. As you can see here, it's already installed and now in use. It's blocking the ad and visiting any site. Let's see other features. The web capture tool lets you capture specific part of a screen and then let you add notes or copy it from. This tool can be very productive at times. Another interesting feature here is apps. It will let you create an app from the website itself. What it does is it puts a website into a window. Now it's your app. You can also find your app in your system. Now it's an app on your Linux system, so you can now turn on or off the notification of that app. This way you can make website as your app and make use of it. Now let's check out the incognito mode of this browser. The hamburger menu doesn't seem to be very responsive. It's not the very best stable version of Edge browser, so expect some instability in this browser. Through the hamburger menu, you can switch on the safe search or set it to strict or moderate according to your need to filter out adult contents. On more tools, we can find an option Browser Task Manager. Will be telling you everything about the tabs which are opened in your browser. You can easily end them and it will show you how much memory it consumes. Let's explore settings. Under the Privacy tab, you will find tracking preventions. According to your need, you can set it out. You will also get an option of choose what to clear when closing browser. Here you can choose what to clear when closing the browser, like password, cookies, and history. You will get all other features under security tabs such as do not track requests, optional diagnostic data, and block potentially unwanted apps. Now coming to appearance tab, we can change themes from here. This is how dark theme looks in this browser. On startup page, we have the option continue where you left. So this option will give you the tab you opened previously. Under cookie and site permission, you can block third-party cookies. It's the same as other browsers. Here you can see family safety in option. Through this feature, they can track what their kids are visiting in the binge. To get this feature, just click on get started now and sign up for it and you're ready to go. Going to system tab, we have some features like continue running background apps and use hardware acceleration when available. Then we have the reset setting through which we can restore the default settings. And then under phone and other devices, we have option to sign in and sync to other computers. Though there's a catch when it says to sign in, because in Linux systems, sign in support is not present yet. So that's how you can download Microsoft Edge browser in your Linux system. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe now to help my channel grow.